Bright suns, everybody.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, we are here again at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
We basically live here at this point.
We do. I should have a Batuu passport at this point.
Yeah.
But today, what are we doing? We're gonna show people some tips and tricks for their visit.
Yeah, some like lesser known stuff that you might not have noticed when visiting Batuu.
Yeah, I feel like when you see like tips, Easter eggs, you see a lot of the same stuff. Like you see, oh, there's a Wampa in Dok-Ondar.
There is?
There is, yeah, it's pretty obvious.
Yeah.
We're not here to give you the obvious. We're here to give you the more fan-oriented point of view and show you some of the stuff that is lesser known.
Yeah.
So, by the way, if you like this kind of content, if you like theme parks, if you like Star Wars, if you like Galaxy's Edge, what should they do?
You should probably subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That lets us know that you like what we're doing.
Well, come along with us on this adventure. Over by the Toydarian toy shop, right next to that, there's a bunch of speeders, like little mini, almost like kid-like speeders. And a lot of people haven't noticed, but this one right here is actually from Solo, a Star Wars story. It's the one that Han Solo is speeding off in the beginning of the movie. This one's obviously a miniature kids version, but it's cool to see this in the marketplace.
So I'm a big fan of Disneyland trash cans, and here in Batuu, this one has a special Easter egg. This number down here is actually from Star Wars: A New Hope. It's the serial number for the trash compactor that they all get forced into.
We're all right! You did great! Hey, open the pressure maintenance hatch on unit number. Where are we? 326 3827!
A lot of Star Wars fans like to point out all the Easter eggs that are inside Dok-Ondar's Den of Antiquities, but a lot of people don't focus on the stuff that's outside this place. Most notably, this statue right here. This statue right here was seen in the Star Wars prequels. It is one of the 4 Jedi Masters that created the original Jedi Temple. How did this statue go from being outside the Jedi Temple on Coruscant to here in the planet of Batuu? As Maz Kanata would say, that's a question for another time.
This Padawan, by a lightsaber he was.
Another rumor going around is that this foot right here is the foot of Anubis from the Great Movie Ride. This is something that we've been unable to confirm, but it could make sense because that is from the Indiana Jones Raiders of the Lost Ark section of the ride. And where else would you put the foot of Anubis? One might go here and the other might go in the Hollywood Studios version of Galaxy's Edge.
This is something that I didn't notice until recently, but right by Asavi's workshop, there's stroller parking. But there's also this ancient wishing tree. And rumor has it, if you go up to a Batuu resident and you ask them to make a wish, you could actually tie it onto the tree, and then your wish will come true, I guess, when it falls off.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
But I've heard that this is a wishing tree. It is? And that you could ask to make a wish or to get a ribbon.
So what did you wish for?
I wish that Episode 9 be the best Star Wars movie to date.
Oh, that's tough. I mean, I hope it comes true.
Yeah.
So I guess it's only going to come true if that falls off the tree?
Oh no, you're right.
Oh no! We're going to be waiting a long time. So I guess when it comes out, it's not going to be the... Whoa! And if you look inside Dok, you can find an artifact that is also from George Lucas's other franchise. Did Indiana Jones come to Batuu and trade it? We don't know.
wondering what these are, these can be found all throughout Batuu. These are actually found on Luke Skywalker's home planet of Tatooine, in the farm where he grew up. What are they called?
Fusion generator supply tanks.
Yeah.
And basically these things hold power and I don't know. But you see them. You see them. Yeah.
They're generators.
Yes. And now you can take a photo next to them.
Yes.
A lot of people complain that there's not enough original trilogy stuff, but there's stuff all over this land.
Yeah, you just really gotta look.
So when you buy things in Galaxy's Edge, some of those things can be expensive, some of those things can be big, it can be huge boxes, long lightsabers. They have now started shipping those things to another world. You can come here to the first order cargo and you can check in your item as long as you have your receipt, as long as it's before I think 5 p.m. and they'll ship it to the front gate for you to pick up later on.
Wow, that's convenient.
Yeah, and you just gotta get there before midnight, or if you're staying in Disneyland Hotel at the resort, they'll actually ship it right to your room.
Wow.
Yeah, so you don't have to carry your huge lightsaber around, but then you don't get the photos in front of the Falcon.
Yeah, it's like, do you want the photos? Do you want to carry it? Do you want to ship it? Now you have the option. So a lot of people that don't think that Mickey exists here on Batuu, but there's actually hidden Mickeys all throughout the land. This is just one of them, and it's right next to the Millennium Falcon ride on the little ramp to the left of the ride.
When you're eating in Docking Bay, there's a lot of cool places to sit around, a lot of cool things to see here, but a lot of people don't notice that you can actually eat on a foil of an X-Wing. How cool is that? So that brings us to the end of our tips and tricks. This is just a quick one. We have a lot more to give you, but I'm also interested in, are there any tips and tricks that we don't know about that you want to suggest for a future video?
I feel like every time we come to Galaxy's Edge, we see things that we haven't seen before, and it's, yeah, if you know anything that we haven't said yet, please leave a comment and let us know.
Yeah, leave it in the comments below. By the way, we've run into quite a few fans of the video, people that have been watching the channel.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool to meet you in person.
Feel free, if you ever see us around Batuu, come up and say hi. It lets us know that you like what we're doing.
Yeah, and everybody, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Remember, we've got eyes everywhere.